Good morning, Tokyo! How are you today? Feeling good? Ha? So, ito na nga. Sa vlog for today ay pupunta po tayo ng Harajuku para sa... smile na siya. Oh, maaga pa masyado ba? Good mood masyado. Magpunta tayo sa pinakamalaki na Nike dito sa Tokyo. Kay para sa pantalon ni Derich, guys. Hindi pa rin tayo natapos sa pantalon. Nakailang vlog na puro pantalon. How was your sleep? Huh? How was your sleep? Very good. Tingnan niyo, look. Merong ano dito ba? Ano kayang laman yan? Init po sa Tokyo today. Sinatan, hindi ko na pinalagay, ako din. Kami lahat, hindi na po kami nag-sweater sa loob. Kaya mas warmer today. It's 14 degrees. Harajuku, doon lang din pala yun sa Shibuya. Kumain na to sila lahat. Ako wala pa. Hanap tayo ng makainan, guys. So, tabi-tabi lang. Doon na siguro sa Shibuya. Look. Ang aso ba? So cute the bus. Look. Oh! I love it. Ayan lang yung station, oh. Malapit lang sa aming apartment. Hanap tayo ng makain, guys. Yung madala lang natin. Meron silang nigiri dito, oh. Pau-pau. Oh, gyoza. For the gyoza in the world. Tingin-tingin tayo. Kaya parang gutom na talaga ako, in fairness. Ito naman, may mga eggman. Nag-order ako ng gyoza, guys. Wala daw itlog. Yummy. Order ako ng salmon. Oh, it's still hot. Ayun, guys. Better than 7-Eleven.
Yeah.
Yes, masarap masyado eh.
Freshly made.
Yeah, freshly made it. Mainit pa rin.
Ayoko. Mamaya na siguro pag uwi kung gutom ako.
Later we can go back here. If you want it. Wow! At saka mas marami ang laman. Tingnan mo. You want to try? Salmon. Sushi.
Not English, but Netherlands.
You talk to him English, English daw Kuya Derek, not Netherlands.
No, Nathan is talking to me Netherlands.
You want or not? With toyo. Yeah.
Also.
It's cold.
You know.
But it's yummy.
No.
Gusto. Bilisan mo.
Musog ako.
More toyo. You want more?
No, Papa. Is doing anything?
It's videoing now. Go.
Hi guys, I am back. I have this one power something. I power something. I need to power that
Fried rice in food.
but anymore.
You are baho lubot.
But you are power.
Nyek.
Masarap ng nigiri, guys. Pero yung gyoza, malamig na. Masarap siya pero malamig na ba? Pero kung fresh yun, masarap masyado yun. Mamaya, bago kami mag-uwi, magdaan tayo dyan. Kaya magbili ako ulit.
But there is a
What?
Kuya, there is grafen.
Kasi yung malaki ba?
Saan tayo ngayon? Dali na. Kaya ikaw ang magdala sa amin doon. Ako bahala sa sa magbili. Ala, sige. The biggest Nike in Tokyo. Malapit lang masyado siya sa Sibuyas. As in, super lapit lang. Malakad lang siya. Maganda yan.
Pwede ka good
Magpagawa. Kalaki nga, guys. Tingnan nyo. Paakyat na kami ngayon sa second floor nila, oh. Wow! Tapos meron pa silang third floor. Third floor. You want water? Now we go to Papa. May nakita ka na?
Shrine? Amin, dali ka. Balik lang. Sulod lang ako.
Namingoy na naman siya, guys. Magsunod lang daw siya. Magtingin muna siya doon. Kaya wala yung gusto niya. Pero na kasi yun sa Osaka. Pabili na siya ba? Tapos sabi ko man, ang mindset ko, mas marami sa Tokyo at saka mas mura. Kay mas malaki dito. Tapos, ano yan, maraming sale. So, wala talagang sale. Tapos wala yung gusto niya. Naubusan na. Look at that, everyone. White. We are going today to the shrine, to the temple.
What is white? White.
White ice cream. Papa is buying you white ice cream.
Yay! Because it's sunny day.
Yeah, because it's sunny day, then you can have some ice cream.
Yes. Can I go to Papa?
Sure, you can.
And then
Look at that, guys. You remember that? Gusto ko dalhin si Derich dito para ma-experience niya din. No, I look at you. You go to Papa. I will look from here. You get your white ice cream, yes? Wow! White and a green ice cream. Hintayin muna natin si Derich dito. Now, I want to try the green ice cream. Matcha ice cream. Enjoy!
enjoy.
Sweet or super matcha?
For matcha.
Oh, super matcha. It's yummy. You know, you can, it's like durian. At first, I did not like it, but now,
Because it has a slight bitter taste.
bitter taste. But now, ano tawag yan, magustuhan mo na siya. With the second time around. At first, it was very, parang damo ang lasa. Pero ngayon, masarap na siya. Can you check if there is already sent message?
Yummy.
Enjoy your ice cream po. Tahimik na lang ako kay Derich kay kasalanan ko. Kawawa din. Nag-expect talaga siya. What is the flavor of your ice cream?
Vanilla.
Vanilla?
Go try.
Yummy. Thank you for sharing. You're so sweet. Uh-oh. Bebe love, you kiss Kuya Derich. He is sad. Kiss him. Dali na. And let him try your ice cream. Tell him, Kuya Derich, don't be sad. Try my ice cream.
No.
Nag-away na naman kayo? Oh, he doesn't want. Ask him, Kuya Derich, are you sad?
No.
No. Oh, kiss Kuya Derich, kiss Kuya Derich.
Magpunta na muna ko Adidas.
Sige, sa Adidas. Magtingin ka doon. Kiss Kuya Derich because he is a little bit
You
sad.
have
Kiss!
ice cream,
It's
man.
fine, it's fine.
I
It's
will
fine.
kiss you on the cheek. Lang. Cheek.
No, he wants in the lip. Wait, nakalimutan ko anong temple to. The Meiji Jingo Shrine. Look at that. Ang maniniyot ko. So, nandyan na lang yan siya maano ngayon. Mawala ang kanyang problema. Look at that. With all the trees in the world. Ay, pang winter tree siya, guys. Kasi hindi natanggal yung kanyang leaves.
I feel also when I am so cool.
Yeah, you are so cold because you ate ice cream. My gosh, let's go. You remember the light and then you say before, picture, mama, picture. Yung picture.
Mama, picture.
I love you. No, let's go. Ikaw ano pala siya. I can also do that now, mahal. You want? The pushing.
Picture,
Yeah.
picture.
Picture with Kuya Derich. You take a picture Kuya Derich of Nathan. 3, 2, 1, smile. Nathan is cold. Very good. Now let's go. You remember this, baby love? And then you run away so fast here. So Wow! Look guys, the barrels of sake wrapped in straw. Ay, sa dito, oh, energy na naman, kinaka-ice cream. Sige, takbo na naman, kay dapa ka na naman dyan. Where's your papa? I cannot find your papa. Baby, where's your papa? And this one is the provenance of the Bourgogne wine for consecration at Meiji. Diyos ko, Lord. Energy pa more. You want to sit again? He's looking for the lights, Papa. Ay, there is the light. I saw a light. There. But don't run so fast, ha? Then you will fall again. Natumba na siya, guys. Mas busy ito ngayon. Mas maraming tao kaysa nung pagpunta namin dito last time. Because, Mahal, I think the last time we were here, it was already almost closed, Mahal. Yeah. Ngayon kasi maaga
It was
pa.
nice. It was not very busy.
Yeah. Ngayon, grabe ka. Picture. Kaya doon si picture mo daw siya. Picture. Gabi no, 4 na kami ngayon dito, guys. Akalain nyo yun. Buo na kami. Oo. Bebe, Nathan, may mga tao. It wasn't there when we went here the last time, Mahal. This one, these are new. Wala po yan siya. Yung mga ganyan. Ang huling punta po natin. At least may bago kayong makita. Oh, pagod na siya. Sumakay na ulit. Are you tired? Nathan is tired?
Mama?
Yes, bebe. Dito naman. Dito din, magugas ng kamay. Hugas kamay. Purify yourself. Very Japan. Tingin lang kayo dyan, guys, ha. Ako bahala sa pa-shrine nyo today. Masaya naman kayo, nakapag-shrine kayo sa Japan. Baka naman, don't skip the ads. Duko daw, guys. Grabe ang tao. Kadaming tao talaga. Look at that, everyone. Sana yung maniniyot ko. Busy na naman yung sige picture. I love you. Can you believe, Mahal? We're back here. We are so blessed, my love.
It's so cold.
We are so blessed. Now I'm teary-eyed. Because I can go to Japan 2 times. Can you believe that, baby, or not? Namingoy ka lagi dyan. What happened to you?
Mama, can I go
You want to go to the shrine there?
to
Auto, where is that? Where is that? Auto? I don't know too. Don't shout because this is a shrine. And look at the people that are the police here. they will look to the people that are not nice and not behaving well. You see, they are shouting, hey, hey, behave, all the kids here, ha, because this is a shrine. Hey, come here, kids, be good. That's what he said. You don't, ano?
You remember last time we actually got to go there and clap our hands and bow and throw the money? I don't think we will do that.
A lot of people. Grabe. Daming tao, guys. Excited na ito. Kaya meron daw 10 minutes walk. Merong Adidas. Let's go to the 10 minutes walk Adidas. Magsama kami. Saan mo man kami pintay? Look at that, everyone. Palabas na po tayo. May binibili sila dyan. What is that, food? Or like, ano nga yan? Souvenir. Parang ano ay, mga souvenir, guys. Dito pa rin tayo sa loob ng shrine. Palabas na kami.
The sky is so far in the sea. So Buddha,
Bolde. Golden. Golden. Ano sa'yo, bolde? Ano yung benta niya? What is that? Oh yeah, Spider-Man. He made it himself, mahal. Magbili daw si Daniel. Which one? The Mario My Love? Can you show me? Can you show me here? Wow, that's so good. Yeah. Sinagawa niya talaga, guys. Si Derich, nag-iba na naman sa amin. Dala niya ang cellphone ko, guys. Kaya yung cellphone ko ang may data. Magpunta daw siya doon sa may sasakyan. Kaya picturean niya. Magpunta din siya sa Adidas. Ganyan talaga, pag nagbibinata. Kaya mainis ako, pero iniintindi ko na lang ba? Pero nainis ako. Look at that. Wow. Wow, they were good. Give them money, Bibila. Give them money. Papa will give you money. Dali. And then you put it on the bucket there, ha?
In the Emma jar, okay?
Yeah. Dali na.
Yes, nada.
Put in the Emma. Put there. I wanna know, have you ever seen
Have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know.
Naka-cellphone na naman siya, oh. Dito tayo sa sa Teddy Valentine's. Mag-coffee na po muna tayo. Maganda ang lugar nila dito. In fairness. Tingnan nyo. Mas kinita po siya, no? In fairness din po sa price ng cappuccino nila. Ayan, oh. Cappuccino is 792 yen. So far, ganda ng weather today, guys. Hindi ganun kalamig. Kahit nandito kami sa lilim, walang araw. Hindi po malamig. Cappuccino. Coffee, guys. Hohokam Diner. See that?
Very hot in there.
Yeah.
They have the
Heater.
heater on.
It's nice here, mahal. You know, it's not cold today.
No, I told you right.
Yeah.
Warmer today.
Warm. Good coffee, everyone. Tapos, andyan yung I Love Donut. That's very popular, mahal. You saw the line there? That's the I Love Donut. I want donut, something like that. Andyan lang sa kanto.
I am donut.
I am donut. Popular yan siya dito sa Japan. You want to try that? I am donut?
No, I don't want to stand in line there. For a donut?
Kahaba ng linya. Let's go, guys. Kaya may nakita na si Derich. Bilhin na natin yan. So, it's over.
I'll check if
Para masaya na ang buhay niya. Intindihin natin siya. Kay minsan lang yan magpa-baby ang anak ko, guys. Minsan lang ako na kasama niya. So, kung ano ang hilig, ibigay.
Buy from a vending machine.
Diyos ko, there's nothing in there. That's just drink. Let's go to Kuya Derich first and then we eat, okay? Ayan o. I am donuts. Yan. Pinilahan yan kanina. Ngayon wala nang pila. Tingnan nyo, pila na naman sila. Oh. Nawala ng pila ngayon. Nagpila na naman. Ay, spicy daw pa to.
Spicy? Didn't say spicy on there. You want me to try a bite?
Yeah, sige daw. You think it's spicy? I don't think so. I can. Meron siyang...
It does have a little spice.
Yeah, but you can eat spicy things like the noodles, ha? You like spicy ba ya?
Mine.
With ano, parang sushi rice. Oh.
It's a yummy chicken.
Nagustuhan niya, guys. Family Mart to siya. With,
With
yan nga, oh, tira mong kanin. Oh.
Avalopa.
Okay, yeah, we need to walk for a while because we need to be on the stairs.
And downstairs.
Downstairs, yes. Uy, look at the house there. That is beautiful. What is that? Oh. Dito na siya. Oh, saan? Para matapos na yan. Gusto ko nakasmile buong araw, ha? Tapos anong sabihin? The best mama in the world. Let's go to Kuya Derich. Sobra pa ako dyan. Malala pa ako dyan nung dalaga ako, guys. Kaya nga palagi akong sinasabihan ng lola ko at saka ng nanay ko, kung anong ginagawa mo sa akin ngayon, gawin din yan sa'yo ng anak ko. Totohanan talaga. Yan din ang sinasabi ko ngayon kay Derich. Nabalik lang. Kunin mo na, Dayna. Smile muna. Ay, hindi bilihin. Smile agad. Dito. Gusto ko makita ang magandang ngipin mo. Na, wala, Jude. Ang ngipin.
Ganito ang end niyo, ganito. Pero merong isa dito na walang ganyan.
Yung walang ganyan, mas maganda. Yeah, sige na, buy that. Because in Osaka, you wanted that too. Sige na.
It's smaller than the one.
How about Nathan? What do you want, bebe? Ala, they have this for you, Snoopy. Oy, I like this.
I like this.
Yeah, you try one. It's too big, bebe. It's Snoopy, but it's so big. It's very big, bebe love for you.
And the hat.
He wants the black hat. Yeah, try it for him, mahal. He wants it. You want to try?
Kijk maar.
Bebe, show us. Show me here. That's so big.
Try ko muna.
O sige na, i-try mo. And this one is so big too. Maybe they have 4
But
children.
I like it.
Yeah, but we look if they have 4 children. Yan na, maganda yan. Kaya hindi masyado makapal. I-try mo na magsapatos ka. Kung maganda tingnan na magsapatos. Halo din daw siya. Oh, Mama, you are the...
Wait lang, wala pa.
Uy, Mama, you are the... Ikaw ang magsuot. So, tingnan mo kung gusto mo. Dobby, patingin.
Pero palitan ko.
Ah?
You are the... What will I say, Nathan?
What will you say? Mama is the best. Si Kuya Derich.